he is doing so many service with a simple heart and always service mood, always want to give please to devotees and Lord Krishna, everything. How he is dukhi? It is not possible. Those who always service mood towards Krishna's and Krishna's devotees, they never unhappy. They are always happy. So now today you change his name, her name. But her name is Sukhi. Sukhi means happy. You change his name is Sukhi. Mahaprabhu told he is nice devotee. His heart is very simple. Always want to give please to devotees. So how he never like this person in this material world unhappy? This is contradictory. So really happy is only this is Sukhi in this material world. So who is Sukhi? Those are always engaged with Krishna and Krishna's devotees service. They are always. Maybe problem will come, no problem, but they are really Sukhi. Devotees really happy. In this material world, many persons, we see everybody try to happiness. Everybody. Also our government, also our society, also our family, everybody working only for happiness. But no, this year, no, after means unlimited years. Everybody try to only for happiness, but nobody one up to now get happiness. Why we are not going to proper way? How to we will get happiness? In Ekadash Skanda also, some question came: how all peoples are this material world? They are thinking this body is I am this body. Their misconception, misidentification. How they will free from this material bondage, free from this material unhappiness, material threefold miseries. Why one thing, everybody now thinking we are in this material world, we are happiness. How they will change their mind? This is very strange. If anybody thinking I am very miserable, then one some solution to take him to devotion life. If anybody think I am happiness in this material world, they are puzzled, madman they are. What he will speak about that? They are really madmen there. One mad, if he is laughing and eating some pepper, eating some dry leaves and he is laughing. If anybody speak, he is really happy. He is not happy. He is puzzled. He don't know what is this pepper. Pepper is not a food. Our food is rice, dal, sweet fruit like this. He is eating peppers. He is eating some from garbage. He is bring something and eating and he is laughing. If somebody see, oh, he is very happy, but he is not happy really. Like in this material world, many people like this. They are thinking, I am very higher, I am very happy, I am very quiet. But no. Happiness only will come who is connection with the embodiment of happy is Lord Krishna. They can only get happiness. Otherwise, no possible to get happiness. So now material people they are thinking, now I am little happy. Means yesterday I speak about this. One is a big weight in his head going and he get pain more. Then he thinking he bring from his head to this shoulder. Thinking, oh, now I am very happy. While little I free. But not free. This weight came this way. Again, after some time more pain here that he bring this side. Here more pain. like this, they are not like happy like this. They are only thinking some remedy, see some remedy to how to feel free, but no possibility in this way. So we must see about this thing. This is really unhappiness, these material things. If somebody realization about this thing, then he will come to devotion. Then he will listen to words of sadhu and guru and Vaishnava. Those are realization about this thing, they can searching where I will get happiness. Then need one bona fide spiritual master. If by the grace of Lord Krishna, if anybody gets some spiritual master to guide proper way, then his happiness will start. From that day, happiness will start. So, anyhow, we are came in this devotional, most in here, all are devotees. Our duty is what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructed us, what our Guru Vargas instructed us, very seriously, and if we will follow their instruction, then we have no problem. If we chanting Harinam, if we doing Gayatri mantra 2 times and service to Lord, Lotus feet of Lord Krishna, and what we bring and make some prasad and offering, then we take. This is most important. If we will not follow this rule and regulation, then our mind will not engage with Krishna service. Everything only for Krishna. Everything belongs to Krishna and everything for Krishna. We are only enjoying object. We are not enjoyer. We are also our family, father, mother, wife, children, everything only for Krishna service. Everything. Like one family, they are a wife and a husband. Husband must be think this is wife only for Krishna's service. He is servant of Krishna. My son also servant of Krishna. This way, his mood must be like this. You make your business in everything, but the thinking must be like this. And everything what came, everything for only service for Lord Krishna. Then you remain and his Mahaprasad as he will take and allow our life only for Krishna's service. If we thinking like this, then no problem will come. Atma Nivedana Tuyapade Kadi Hoinu Parama Sukhi. If we completely surrender towards lotus feet of Krishna and everything doing for Krishna's service, then we get really happiness. If we connection with Krishna, always the happiness came. When we forget Krishna, that time came to distress to us. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and our Guru Vargas all are very so compassionate to us. They give so many instruction, so many knowledge, everything. We know everything, but we not practice. If we not practice, we lose our life. They gave everything to us. They give Krishna Nam, who is the most powerful in devotional life. Krishna Nam is devotion. If strong faith, with the service mood of devotees, if you chanting Krishna Nam, you can get everything. Highest, you get highest perfection. By this only chanting Harinam. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This Krishna Nam is very sweet. Our Raghunath Das Goswami speak about how sweet this Krishna name. We must know about this thing. He speak like in our Mahamantra, only Radharani and Krishna. Both. Hare, Krishna, Rama. These 3 words in this Mahamantra. This is only Rama also, who is playing and pastime with Radharani, that his name is Rama. And Krishna also, who is attracting all living entity and give bliss. He is Krishna. Radharani, who is attracting to Krishna, he is Radharani. Energy, Swarup Shakti of Lord Krishna. So we must know about this thing, and then we chanting, then always thinking about Radha and Krishna. So Radheti Nama Navasundara Sidmugdham Krishneti Nama Paramadbhuta Gada Dugdham. He is speaking Radheti Nama. Radha Nam, how? This is fresh nectar. Very beautiful fresh nectar like.